I like that I can just stand here on this quiet country road, listening to coyotes, crickets, katydids, a few birds, but not many today. It was very quiet. It's almost fall migration, and the sky will be filled with birds. But right on cue, the coyotes are yipping, and they're probably coming this direction. But today was a very cool, comfortable, beautiful day. Oh, another pack is answering in a different area. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful for this weather. It has been just an incredibly rainy, humid summer here. And this is the opposite. Just, it's like a late September day here, which is usually cool and dry and clear. But it's still, it's late August, mid to late August. So I'll take it. I appreciate it. I'm grateful for what I have. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for the peace. I think of the people who don't have peace, who don't have freedom, who don't have their health. And that could be me any day. It could be any of us, any day, in any country. So as I stand here, I am grateful. And I think all of us need to be more mindful of others' circumstances and to be grateful for what is good in our lives.